Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you how to download and install Ollama on Windows 10. So go to any browser and type in Google search download Ollama, and then click on the first one, download Ollama on Windows. Select Windows and then click on download for Windows. The download will start. So I have already downloaded, so make sure to download the setup. Now click on install. So in this way you can download and install Ollama on Windows 10.